there, in this video I want to show you how you can edit these Canva templates. They are specially designed for coaches and course creators based on my winning ad creatives. So I spent close to $100,000 in testing ads, and these type of ads, they were performing best. And I decided to use them as the base for these templates. So they're made with Canva and they can be edited with the desktop version of Canva. And in this video, I will show you how you can do that in no time at all. So you will see that you have templates for freebies, for your digital products, for your challenges, your live webinars or recorded webinars as well, and for virtual workshops. So once you're in Canva, the very first thing is that you probably want to change the colors to your branding. If you don't have a branding yet, I also link for you the pre-designed color palettes. So here I have pre-designed 50 color palettes that go really well, and you can select something that you think is suitable for your business. So let's maybe go with one of the palettes. Maybe let's say with this one. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to click on this and copy the color code. So now let's go back to this, and now we want to say, and here you see suddenly this pops up, change to all, and now you want to say change it to all, and then it changes the color on all the files. So that is really a huge time saver. Now we want to select the second color here, and we want to go back, grab the other color on the templates, and then again change all. So you can see that now was changed like in no time. Okay, let's go back and select another one. And do the same for all the colors in your file. Change all. Change all. Perfect. So now you can see you already achieved a different look. Another thing is that you probably want to change the fonts to something that is unique to your brand. I also included this font pairing cheat sheets for you that reveal fonts that go really, really well with each other. So let's try that out now, maybe with the playlist script. And then the font that goes with it is the Radical Indifference. Okay, and now you can see that this looks a bit small, so I just want to adjust the size of this a little bit. And if you would want to change some of the background elements, you can just, of course, switch them out. So if you want to include a picture of you like this is actually super easy to do. You want to go to Upload and upload an image of you. Now you can just put it here and it will come in here, or you could also drag it into the place so that the current picture of me is replaced. Now you want to click on that, you want to say Effects and then Remove Background. And Canva will do all the hard work for you and remove the background. This does not even, it's not only monochrome backgrounds like the one I had, it works with pretty much every background. So that's a really cool feature about Canva. So in this way, you can switch that out. Okay, and now let me show you how you can add an image here. So those are frames, and what you could do is when you have created your design in Canva, you could come here and you could download the page that you want to display as a JPEG and then download it. And now come back here, just drag it in here. and now just drag it into the frame. So that would already work. If you have your design in, for example, a PDF, then you could use a tool that's called PDF to image. I will link that for you. And you could upload any PDF here, and then you can say, now it's converting. So let's download this. And what this tool does, it splits up any PDF into images. And then you could choose an image, and then it's the same story again. You just have to upload it, and then you can drag the image in here and adjust where it is. What I find converts best is if we have a scrolling here, if we actually have a video in here. And the way to do this is to use a tool like Camtasia, which I'm using right now. It's available for really low one-time fee. Or you could go with the free screen recording tool Loom and just record your screen while you scroll through your resource. So you would just make a screen recording scrolling through your resource. And what you could do then is you can also, just like you upload the video, upload the image, you upload a video in here. And now you can drag the video in here. And now suddenly this is animated and you have it. What you could also do is you could also create an animation in Canva and then drag the video in here. So this gives you this really cool scroll-in effect. And think about the format. If it's an iPad like here, you would need a horizontal format. And if you have a screen like here, you can just record it like this. So here, this is one of my products, a course launch planner, and I recorded it just like this, and then you can put it in here. And the way to download this is to download it as a MP4 video, and then click on download, and then you have your video ad ready to go. Those video ads, they tend to do extremely well for me. So that's all there is to changing over the creatives. And as I said, they are based on my winning creatives. So I highly recommend that you use them. And how you could exactly use them and what text needs to go in it follows in more videos shortly.